Yeah, Levi, taking a video of Judah.
And bed, the little animal bed, and I saw the big web and I looked outside and there's no train tracks in there. I think it's in a drawer.
Okay. What do you need?
I need other train tracks. Remember?
For what?
For our little trains.
What are we going to do with it then?
We can put on a train track.
You think it's going to go round and round?
What?
You think it's going to go round and round?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So can you help me, please?
Sure.